In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a digital signature in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here and click on Protect, and from here, click on Sign, and then you will have to draw and drag out the rectangle where you want your signature to be. So I'm going to put it in here, and then here it's going to give you some options. Now, of course, I do have a signature profile already. If you don't have it, you can just click on Create here, and you can select one from the list if there's one for you already, but if it's not, you can just click on New Digital ID, and then you can basically put it in by clicking here, putting in your name, your email, your organization unit, organization name, country, intended usage, and then the key algorithm, and then you can just click on Next here, and your digital ID is going to get created. After that, click on it over here, and then I'm going to click on, for example, this one here, and I'm going to click on Next, and then here you have to select the reason for signing your document. I'm just going to leave this like this, and I'm going to click on Next, and then here you have to save profile with name, like this, and I'm going to click on Finish. After that, you can basically see your signatures here. You have to click on the one you want, click on Apply, and there we go. Your signature is going to get applied over here, and you've basically added a digital signature. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.